So CORS is a cross-origin request sharing, right? Basically, basically when HTTP came out and JavaScript was starting to become in vogue, and folks wanted to start communicating back and forth, folks were concerned of saying, well, wait a minute, you're asking me to download a JavaScript, something executable, and you want it to run my machine? Are you crazy? I'm not going to let you do that, right? So browsers went out of their ways to, to convince folks that it was safe, to download this source code, these algorithms, and have them run on your machine, right? They started, advertising and marketing, saying, well, no, it's running inside of a walled-in garden, right? It's not accessing your file system. It's not, it's not trying to steal any information. It runs inside of the browser. Okay. One of those security measures that they went and enforced is that if you downloaded JavaScript from one website, okay, it was not allowed to make any network connections to other websites. Right? It says, well, no. I mean, what if I download from some place and then it starts sending all my keystrokes some other website, right? The intention was that if you download it from a website that you trust, then you would presumably trust it to communicate back to its mothership, okay? But you would not allow that JavaScript to communicate to anyone else. Make sense, right? To try and do that, the JavaScript would be set to try to do cross-domain scripting, right? And we would disallow that, and that's what the browser is stopping me from doing. It's stopping me from doing. It's enforcing this rule. So because it became so popular that now there's tons of data sets available for free on the web, folks were looking for mechanisms to kind of get around this issue, right? It says, hey, I want some information from IMDb over here, and some information from Yelp, and from Barnes and Noble, and are they still around? Yeah, they're around. Or Amazon, or whatever, right? Where they're hitting all these different places, but I'm stuck in my domain. How do I access these other places? So what they came up with is the idea is the following idea. I'm going to refresh this. Let's look at the network. Okay. They came up with the idea of allowing servers to vote or be configured if they wanted to participate in this security protocol, right? The idea was that, hey, it's dangerous to have scripts downloaded and then accessing some other servers, right? So instead, what we're going to do is that the browser is going to ask the server, say, hey, server, there's this script that was downloaded from over there that wants to talk to you. Are you okay with it? And then the server now has a chance to say yes or no, right? If the server says yes, then the browser says, oh, okay, I'll let it go through. Okay. This new protocol of allowing and configuring cross origin is called CORS, right? Cross origin resource sharing, right? And you can turn it on, you can turn it off, you can say what you can allow. And presumably I didn't allow enough things. Well, yeah, it's complaining about access control. All right, I'll need to fix this. Yeah, I'll fix this.
Hi everyone, Jose here. Please remember to subscribe and like the video. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you.